It is so hot out today. Like, I'm sweating.
It goes on and on and on.
Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in.
Okay, so I got both cameras running now. Okay, so we went to the farmer's market today and we picked out 3 separate ingredients. And so Taylor, she picked the rustic sourdough cheese bread. Allie picked out this cowboy butter. And then I had picked out this cowboy candy. So it's jalapeno peppers with sugar, spice, and vinegar. And I thought that looked really good. And I've decided to make some grilled cheeses. Sweat off my eyebrows, but that's okay. Good thing that we're buying it, because I feel like sourdough is just, if I'm gonna eat bread, it's gonna be sourdough. This is probably almost gonna sound disgusting to you guys, but what I love to do is I love to have cheese toast. So cheesy bread with mayo instead of like butter or something. I don't know why. It just goes harder.
What?
We're gonna cook up the bacon first because that is what's gonna take us the longest. I'm just throwing a pack of bacon on. Have to wipe my hands down. I'm so bad every time. Like I'm cooking or eating and I have stuff in my hand. I like rub it on my back and I know that's so bad. Okay, so then we have our pickled. It works like a charm every time, just hitting the side. Just a FYI. And then this cowboy butter. Like, shout out to everybody at the market today. They're all just so great. There's my mother checking in on me. Okay, I guess I'm too loud. I'm just gonna warm it up on the Blackstone. Can I help you with something? Can't remember. Von Slicks is the name. So pick that up. I feel like this is gonna go hard on a steak.
Yummy.
So I got cheese here. First off, we're gonna just also put some of these jalapenos. I'm just plopping them right on the grill. Just plopping them on. I feel like the seasonings and everything that it's in would be an excellent oil for. Why is my phone storage always full? All this yummy steam. Probably should have looked around to make sure that I had everything. These are gonna be so good. It's like sticking to the spatula, so those sugars in it. I'm so excited. The girls are just gonna be watching this and be like, oh my god, that looks so good, yet she didn't even share with us. I'm sorry. Next time I make something, they will come out. So I'm just pouring a little bit of the juice on here. I flip it over because I want both sides to be kind of crispy. Shout out to my dad for having Father's Day so I could buy it for him. I love my parents, but one is in that window and the other is in that window and they're watching me. If you like it non-crispy, what are you doing with your life? Like, oh god, I say like way too much. We're caramelizing up the jalapenos. The bacon is crisping up. Oh, my mom's offering me water. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Stay humble.
Huh?
Or don't. I don't. Am I stunned?
Yes.
Okay, so I didn't have enough bread to begin with. Shit. Okay, we're just gonna use this one. Put that there. Get it heated up real quick. That's fine. See, mishaps happen in the kitchen all the time, aka I put not enough pieces of bread down and I didn't cut it right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna smear the cowboy butter on. I'm just gonna put a little on the grill and warm it up, and then oh, it's hot, but I feel like I gotta show you. Like, That is so good. I have never claimed to be perfect. So when I tell you that I accidentally burnt the bacon a little, that shit happens. Because I know you guys think I'm perfect, but I'm not actually. I love saying that, bacchini. That way we get a bit more of an even cook on that. And then so we got the bocchini. It's basically little mozzarella balls, and I find that like they make the creamiest cheese on the grilled cheese. Like, you know, that like mozzarella pull, that's the vibe we're going for. It does not disappoint. Like, look at that. Look at that cook. Oh. I tried one at the farmer's market. They did a little sampler, and it was so good. Fun fact about me is at work, when I worked LOL, loved to just go and eat the jalapenos.
Spicy!
I know that sounds, we have a surprise guest. You can't really see her, but, oh, you want inside now? So I'm just picking it. You guys, don't be dumb. Let the poor baby in. Go inside. We're just gonna top the bacon on. We don't need to overstuff these because I feel like there's already so many good flavors coming from the jalapenos and the bread and the, let me tell you, I know half of what I'm doing. Do like a little, look at that. Flip these bad boys over. Oh, you can see the cheese going. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flatten them. That's nice. I have been spending so much time editing and everything that my eyeballs hurt so bad because of like my issues. It is so painful to wear glasses. So like I can't even wear my glasses. Oh, the shadows are probably... There we have that. You can probably see the sweat pouring off of me. Do we cut in half kind of sandwich? Okay, like, look at that. Isn't that look so good? I gotta do a quick little taste test here. My mom's just watching me from the window right now, and it's really funny. Like, why are you obsessed with me?
I was like,
I don't blame you.
why are you so obsessed with me?
Oh. That cowboy candy and that butter, oh, it just all blends so good together. I wasn't gonna do bacon originally, but then I was like, I need to put a little protein on it, and I thought bacon would be the perfect thing. I feel like I could maybe add a tomato or something, but the tang in this is incredible. 10 out of 10. Anyway, thanks. Oh, this lighting is so bad. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you next time I cook on the Blackstone. We'll see. I have so much homework to do and gotta study French, so thank you. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm not working right now and I need money to live my lifestyle in Newfoundland.